Well, I'd like to use this test design to show you some of the tools available in GCAD Plus to change the stacking order of entities in the design. So this design calls for a sandstone entrance feature rock. So let's zoom in on it. And as it stands now, these plants that are planted nearby, intended to be planted nearby, are not showing correctly. We want them part of this, let me select it, part of this myoporum symbol. It would crawl over the rock, so it doesn't look terribly realistic. And the same applies to this rhagodia here. Looks as though it's growing under the rock. You can select the rock symbol quite easily. It's on a layer called Hardscape, and the temptation will be to use Tools and Draw Order and just send it to the back. The result of that is it disappears, and the reason being, if we dive in here, I'm selecting the polyline that covers the garden area. The rock can be selected, but I'm using a crossing window now to select the rock, and then I'll hold the shift key down to deselect that garden fill area. And what I want to do is to bring the rock on top of, sorry, not the rock on top of, we want to put the rock below this symbol and below this symbol here. So for that we go to Tools and Draw Order, and we have a little more complex, but we want it to bring above an object or bring under. In this case we want to go under. So the rock's selected, and we select the reference object there and select that one there, and unselect all, and now that looks much more realistic. So you've got a number of options in the GCAD Plus toolbox to make things look a little more realistic.